Updating your LinkedIn profile for a new job is a great way to showcase your skill progress. This video is a step by step guide on how you can do it effectively. First, you need to update your headline. In the first thing people see is include your new title, company, and bit about what you do and how you add value. For example, product manager at XYZ company, passionate about this tech solution. Now go to your experience section, click plus add position and enter details about your new role. You can use official job title, type the company's name, you can start your date when you started your job, description, your responsibility, goals, and how you achieved them. You can add your projects and great achievements. Now, in the About section, update your summary to reflect the new position. Focus on what excites you about this role, professional journey so far, and new skills on achievements you want to highlight. You can add new skills related to your role, especially ones that align with your job description. Endorsement for these skills can help validate your qualification. If your new job role requires some certification, you can add them license and certification section. This can enhance your profile. You can update your profile picture and banner if needed. Remember, image and banner should be very professional. If you follow this guideline, you can enhance your LinkedIn profile. That can surely give you attention from the job recruiters. And I'll see you in the next one.